Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create truly dynamic headings in Power BI using DAX. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your Power BI reports even more interactive, giving your users a heading that updates instantly based on the filters they select. Whether you're brand new to DAX or you just want your visuals to feel more polished and user-friendly, you're going to love how easy and effective this trick can be. Let's dive right in. The first thing we'll do is get some sample data into Power BI. This will help us follow along and see how everything works in real time. All you need to do is open Power BI, head to the Home tab and click on Enter Data. Copy and paste the sample table. It has columns for month, category, and sales. You'll see rows for Jan, Feb, Mar with categories A and B and some sales numbers. This little data set is perfect for showing how dynamic headings work with slicers and DAX. Don't worry if you're using your own data. The technique is exactly the same, so just follow along. Now, once your data is in, it's time to set up the interactivity. We want our users to be able to pick a category A or B and see the heading update instantly. To do this, insert a slicer visual. You can find the slicer icon in the Visualizations pane, just click it, and then drag the category field onto the slicer. You should now see checkboxes for A and B, letting users filter your data. This step is super important because it establishes the foundation for all dynamic filtering. The slicer basically acts like a remote control for your report. If your slicer doesn't show up right away, double-check that category really is in your table and be sure you're dragging it to the correct spot. The real magic, though, comes with our dynamic heading measure. This is where DAX comes in. Go up to the Modeling tab in Power BI and click New Measure. Here, where you'll paste the formula I've included down in the video description. Don't worry, it's not long and I'll explain how it works. The formula checks your selection. If you picked a single category, it'll show that category's name. If you picked neither or more than one, it'll say all categories. This way, the heading always makes sense for what's currently being displayed. This step might seem tricky if you're new to measures, but just remember, the measure is what tells your visuals what to display. If for some reason it doesn't work at first, make sure your formula references the right field and table in your data. Sometimes a tiny typo can trip things up. All right, let's put it all together. Add a card visual to your report. Again, you'll find it in the list of visuals. With the card selected, drag your new dynamic heading measure onto it. Instantly, you should see the heading reflect what's chosen in the slicer. Try clicking A or B in the slicer. It should update immediately. And if you clear the selection, it'll show all categories. Think of the card as your friendly billboard. It gives users context, no matter how they're slicing and dicing the data. Don't worry if the card is too small or big. You can always resize it to fit your design. And that's it. Now you've got a dynamic heading that makes your Power BI dashboards both smarter and easier to use. If you found this useful, give the video a like and leave a comment if you have any questions or want to see more DAX tricks. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future Power BI tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.